Hi, welcome to Global Job Circle. And this Global Job Circle is a job placement company based out of India. We offer different job positions in a different location across the globe. And welcome to our channel. We will be giving you a new opportunity as an IT product and service sales engineer, which is based out of Noida, the NCR region. We are looking for any of the candidate having a total experience of around 10 years, whereas the relevant experience in the sales domain should be minimum 4 to 6 years. Please note that it would be an India shift, UK shift, and a US shift. So there can be a rotation of the time shift, as well as we are looking for more than 10 resources to fill in the different time zone. If you are talking about the joining time, it is immediate joiners, whereas the salary is below 30 lakhs, which includes your incentive. Please also note that you need to send your resume to an email address, and we do not guarantee a call back to you, and we will be giving you a call back only and only when your resume is shortlisted. Please also note that you need to send us an email within a subject line having a job ID hyphen the job title. So the technology you should know is the RPA, AIML, CRM, and the sector you should be comfortable with is medical, IT software services, FMCG, FMEG. The company is a 25 years old company based out of New Jersey, having a subsidiary company which operates into AI ML product line, as well as I should say, the data modernization, cloud in the solution, security solution, as well as the product line in the CRM domain. So if you have done the previous job in this particular area where you have sold this kind of services or a product to an enterprise segment, then you are most welcome. Please also note that this job is an individual contributor job where you should be open enough and very extrovert in picking up the phone and doing a cold calling to a mass emailer, to use your network, as well as to use your professional network smartly and effectively. There, as we all know as an IT people, that everything is possible if your networking is good, and this is what my client is looking from in a prospective employee or in a team member, that he or she should be proactive enough to identify the client, identify the stakeholder, identify the decision maker of the company, and then subsequently making a way inside to that particular company to generate a lead for demo. You will be working very closely with the product team as well as the operation and the deployment team, so that you would be able to understand the product line very effectively and would be able to map those product line with the business case with respect to different industrial sector and the domain. Please also note that you should be awesome, or I should say and a stand out professional in communication on the oral side and the written English. And if you know any additional foreign language, that would be a benefit during the interview. This particular position we are looking for, where if you have an exposure for US market, European market, MENA, APAC region or India, you are most welcome to our organization. We are looking for resources who will be working only from office. There will not be in any circumstances, the company will not offer hybrid or work from home other than a scenario where there is a natural calamities, terrorist attacks, or any other pandemic like COVID. You should also understand that you will be getting an ample opportunity as well as the duration to understand the product, and hence being a sales professional, you should be able to correlate technology with the business cycle and service cycle. And as you can see, I summarized the whole JD for you in 7 minutes, and this will be also available at the end of the video. So I request you to also subscribe this particular channel, so that any of the opportunity which we get both domestically and internationally, you will be getting a notification of the same. Please send us your resume with your CTC, your expected CTC. The CTC should have a clear mention of your fixed salary and variable salary, any additional bonus or a stock option. Similarly, what is your expectation in terms of the salary, and what are the achievements you have done in the previous organization, such as the kind of a revenue recognition you did. What I mean with the revenue recognition is that the company received that much of a revenue generated by you, and the kind of a revenue, on the expected revenue where you have generated the lead, so that we can calculate the generated lead value versus the converted value. And please find an email address at the last slide of this particular video, and please share your resume along with the notice time, but we will consider only those resources who can join us immediately. So welcome everyone to Global Job Circle, and we are looking forward to interact with you and get the benefit from each other to create a network of technocrats.